most about the Philippines are the richness of its natural resources, especially in Mindanao, where we can find beautiful lakes, beautiful people, beautiful arts and crafts.
Ako taga Cavite, nakikita ko yung mga sakahan doon, yung mga pananim.
What I love most about the Philippines are Filipinos.
Its culture and its smile.
We have nice beaches.
The falls.
Rainforests, and we have so many animals.
Rural vibe or that countryside vibe.
Laguna dahil sa mga historical sites.
Filipino food.
Siyempre.
The people, they're so approachable, lovable.
They're really accommodating, hospitable.
It's a different people, a different culture, a different look, but it's all the same country, it's all the Philippines.
Every time na magkakaroon kami ng family gathering at pupunta kami sa province, nakaka-relax.
For me, talagang gusto kong pumunta sa Sagada.
Mount Bulusan and also the beautiful beaches of Caramuan.
Definitely is Batangas.
Samar and Camotes Island in Cebu.
The province of Iloilo.
Wala kang makikita mga sasakyan, talagang mga puro puno lang, ganun.
Yung pagod food and vegan.
Boracay.
Super ganda ng tubig and ng sand.
Siyempre, Batanes Group of Island for its beautiful scenery and landscape and seascape. Palawan.
It's quiet, it's beautiful. It's the perfect mix of nature between sea and land.
Because the waters are still virginal and marine life, talagang nandun pa, marami pang nabubuhay ng mga hayop na nasa dagat.
The Mount Mayon, of course, is mga binabalik the perfect cone.
The Cordillera, the Banawe Rice Terraces, Mount Pulag in Benguet.
Yung hometown ng parents ko sa Concepcion, Tarlac at sa Davao City.
If you grow up in a province like Nueva Ecija, makita mo pag tag-ulan at kulay green yung mga bukid na ito, yun yung pinakamaganda at paborito kong lugar sa Pilipinas.
Basilan, because it shows to us that there is indeed future in the lives of young people.
Pag naririnig ko po ang salitang climate change, naaalala ko po yung panahong hinagupit po kami ng Yolanda sa Leyte.
Pagkamatay, flooding, pagkasira ng crops.
The stability in terms of the lives of the people.
It's about survival.
Abnormalities in weather patterns.
Destruction.
The evolution of time through the course of the years.
Flare of the sun erupts, it will penetrate the ozone layer of the earth.
Temperatures rising.
Extreme weather condition and how this is a big threat to our country.
Some of us might die.
Yung livestock din, maapektuhan din yan.
Storms, mainit na panahon, tumataas ang dagat.
Yung magagandang tunog ng mga alon, baka mas maging tunog ng takot sa mga tao.
There will be food shortage.
It's so sad thinking about it, na after 15 years, I would go home seeing all brown. Wala kang makikitang green, di ba? It's so sad.
All the living things in the water will die if we will pollute the water.
Animals having no habitat.
We start to lose these beautiful places.
Siguro sa buong buhay ko, nakaranas ako ng at least 4 hanggang 5 malalaking baha sa Nueva Ecija.
I was there when Ondoy happened. I was there when the Habagat happened.
Naghihintay ka na lang, ano ba, titigil yung ulan or malulunod ka na in the flood?
Natatakot ako para sa mga anak ko.
Sana the next 15 to 30 years, nakakanta pa rin ako sa mga open fields.
And in the case of El Nino naman is sobra yung drought, kaya naapektuhan yung mga pananim na palay.
O dahil sa tagtuyot, mawawala ng bigas at walang nutrisyong makukuha, especially na ngayon na magiging nanay ako.
Gusto ko pa rin ma-enjoy ng mga anak ko yung mga lugar na aking na-enjoy at napuntahan.
Na ma-experience ng isang bata ang makapaglaro sa mga palayan and makita nila ang mga halaman na tumutubo and makaligo sa ilog o sa batis.
We've felt the effects personally, and we've seen how devastating it can be for us and all our fellow Filipinos.
I don't want my children to experience something like that.
If we do not do something about climate change now, Palawan might not be Palawan 10 years from now. Sabi nga nila, kontinente nga naghihiwalay. Kayo pa.
Importante na mailigtas natin yung Pilipinas dahil ito lamang yung nag-iisang tahanan natin.
It's worth saving kasi this is something we should be proud of.
This is our source of life and inspiration.
Because the Philippines is worth living for.
The main reason kung bakit mo minahal itong Pilipinas, babalikan mo. It's worth saving because of the people.
If you save the Philippines, you save us, you save our families, you save our kids.
Ang mga Pilipino kasi kahit anong gawin mo, basta nagtulong-tulong lahat posible.
Hindi natin ito inalagaan, maapektuhan tayong lahat, maapektuhan ng ating mga anak at mga anak ng mga anak natin.
So walang dahilan para hindi ko siya mahalin at alagaan.
Let's start the change now.
Who should save the Philippines? Siyempre si Captain Planet. Pero alam naman natin lahat si Captain Planet hanggang cartoons lang. So guys, why don't you be your own Captain Planet? Total, atin naman ang mundo.
Walang ibang dapat magligtas sa Pilipinas kundi tayo mismong mga Pilipino.
Tayo, wala nang iba.
Dahil kung hindi tayo, sino? Sino ang magsasalba nito?
You know, there's no other place that we should live in. It's only the Philippines.
We all have to work together to ensure that we are resilient in the face of climate change.
Not an effort of just government, of one stakeholder, magulang mo, kaibigan mo.
Kung tayo umasa sa iba, wala silang magagawa. Simulan natin sa atin.
Laging magsisimula yan sa sarili mo.
It must start with me. It must start with the young.
I should save the Philippines.
Tayo lahat may pakialam.
Kung sino yung mga naninirahan dito sa Pilipinas.
Plant trees.
Let's start sa small things. It's gonna be bigger.
Change starts in one person and then it will affect everyone.
Kaya lahat ng tao sama-sama, tulong-tulong, lahat pwede.
We have a lot of potential.
Is close to our hearts.
This is my home. This is my kids' home.
If we do something about it, if we act now, things may be better.
Well, 15 to 30 years from now, sana kung hindi kasing ganda, di hamak mas maganda pa.
Napakahalaga ng gagawin ngayon para isalba pa yung kapaligiran natin, yung bansa natin.
Ang Pilipinas, kahit na hindi ganun kadali ang buhay natin dito, mako-consider ko na isa sa pinakamasayang bayan na pwede mong tirahan.
We'll definitely be more aware about the things that we need to do to improve our society.
I'm hoping that it's still going to be beautiful, it's still going to be diverse, it's still going to be the Philippines I grew up in.
I see our fellow Filipinos in Mindanao not just living in a peaceful society, but also living in a peaceful environment.
Magkaroon pa rin tayo ng pag-asa or huwag tayong mawawala ng hope.
Naniniwala ako na hindi papayag ang bawat Pilipino na masira ang Pilipinas. Kaya magtutulong-tulong talaga para maiahon ang Pilipinas at yung mga pinagdadaanan nilang kalamidad, malagpasan natin. Siyempre, kung tulong-tulong, sama-sama, mas madali nating maaayos yan at isa ko sa mga tutulong dyan.
So I think we have to be conscious about it para at least in the next 15 to 30 years, the generation who will start at this year, meron pa silang matitingnan after 30 years. Meron pa silang aabutan. So let's save that for them.
I'm Giga Manicad. This is my contribution.
I'm Krisha, and this is my contribution.
This is Trixie Maristella. I support Earth Product.
I'm Bam Aquino. This is my contribution.
I am Commissioner Percy Sandanya, and this is my contribution.
Ako po si Glock 9. I contribute to promote renewable energy.
I'm Janine Gutierrez, and this is my contribution. To reduce, reuse, and recycle.
I am Ben of Greenpeace. This is my contribution.
I'm Kuya Kim Atienza, and this is my contribution.
Hi, I'm Eliza Valdez, and this is my contribution.
Hi, I'm Kid Cruz. This is my contribution.
I am Earl Saavedra. This is my contribution.
I'm Gio Tingson. This is my contribution.
I am Renee. This is my contribution.
I am Raniza Sumdad Usman. This is my contribution.
I'm Derek Monasterio, and this is my contribution.
I am Kiefer Avena, and this is my contribution.
I'm Marian Dantes. This is my contribution.
My name is Sam YG, and my contribution is bringing my own water bottle.
Hi, this is Julianne San Jose, and this is my contribution.
I'm Alden Richards, and this is my contribution.
I am Tyler Kema. This is my contribution. What is yours? Sign up now.
Climate change is inevitable. It cannot be stopped nor reversed, but we can minimize its effects if we all come together.
Kung hindi tayo titigil sa pag-aabuso sa ating mundo,
tuluyan ng lulubog ang ating mga pulo.
Pero pwede nating mabawasan ang masamang epekto nito
kung magtutulong-tulong tayo.
Ipakita natin sa mundo
na hindi tayo magpapaanod.
Na may pakialam tayo.
Sa kinabukasan natin.
Sa kinabukasan ng mga anak natin.
Ng ating mga mahal sa buhay.
Huwag nating hayaang malunod
ang pag-asa.
Dahil gusto ko pang makitang lumaki ang aking mga anak.
Let's all come together on
Sa November 25.
Para sa araw ng Now PH.
Iparinig natin ang boses natin sa buong mundo.
Na tayo'y nagkakaisa.
Para sa ating kinabukasan.
Huwag na natin hintayin
Ang susunod na
Undoy, Yolanda,
Trial,
and death.
Not
On.
Our
Watch. Sign up na!